morning!
Good morning! We're gonna go out now!
Today is another day here in Tokyo, Japan. We're gonna go out and maghapon na naman kami neto sa labas. Pero siguro mga bandang hapon, mga 1 or 2, babalik kami dito kasi pupunta kami sa Shikuya Mala?
Is that?
Shikuya?
Shibuya Crossing!
Shibuya Crossing, yeah. We will go there this afternoon.
And
So
now
ngayon,
John's gonna go Shibuya pooping.
Shibuya Crossing. So, isusuot ko ulit ang aking favorite na jacket kasi ito ang laging pinapasuot ni John sa akin. Binili niya to, pinapasuot niya lagi sa akin kasi ang ganda daw. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so I think I'm good. Ito na, naglalakad na kami. So, before we start our day, pupunta muna kami sa Big Camera, BIC Camera. Ang laking building nito. Kasi, i-fix muna namin yung phone ko. My phone is not working, full storage. Kaya I am using John's phone ngayon. Kailangan namin i-fix ang aking phone. Napuno na siya talaga. Ang dami ng mga videos, mga photos. Oh, here's the big camera, guys. There. Ayan siya. So, pupunta kami dyan. We will try to fix my phone.
We open at 10.
Okay, so hindi pa pala sila open. Maaga pa. What time is it? 9:45 pa. Wow, ang lamig! It's breezy! Lamig. Super lamig. Ramdam ko yung lamig. So, hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta kasi close pa yung Big Camera. Yeah, update ako ulit. Bye! We're heading now to Shibuya. Nasakay kami ng train going there. And kakatapos lang din namin doon sa Big Camera. So, unfortunately, hindi naayos yung aking phone. Kasi kailangan daw talaga doon sa iPhone store. So, kaya ginagamit ko pa din talaga yung phone ni John ngayon for filming. So, nahirap dito guys. Paras kami nangangapa. Hindi namin alam mag-ala ng ticket. Kasi lahat machine.
Again? You getting that? No.
Another coins for me.
No. Bye-bye!
Oh, can you use that coin? So we're good? Okay.
Come. I think so.
Nakahanap na naman si John ng mga cosmetics kasi doon sa Big Camera gusto niya kasi akong bilhan ng mga cosmetics. Eh sabi ko wag na kasi it's too expensive. Eh hindi kasi talaga to tumitigil, hindi siya mapakali kapag hindi niya na ano, nakuha yung gusto niya. Ayan, ayan, siya na yung namimili. Sabi ko, wag na. Meron naman doon sa Philippines. Wow, it's 10,000.
It's getting lower.
Yeah. Doon kasi sa Mi Camera, mahal. Almost mga nasa 22, tapos nag-try kami ulit may 11. So sabi ko wag na kasi it's too expensive. Ngayon hindi siya talaga mapakali hanggat hindi niya ako nabibilhan. Ako lang yung umaayaw. What's that look for? Oh, that's what we need. Kasi umuulan dito guys ngayon kaya we cannot bring that to the Philippines.
To the what?
Philippines.
No, throw it away.
Oh, no.
How are we gonna?
We tried that one.
It's too small.
No, try it. Can we try?
It's small. It's just for one person.
I think that's bigger than the other store.
You think?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Can't we try? I think that's bigger. Yeah, that's bigger.
How do you know?
I just know.
That's not cheap.
That's only temporary. Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, better. So, kailangan namin ng umbrella guys kasi nga umuulan.
I'm gonna grab it.
Paglabas namin ng ng mic camera.
Yeah? I took it out, but I want to buy it.
Ah, ito po na.
I buy it.
Nagsasalita ng English kaya ang hirap din makikipag-communicate kaya ang ginagawa namin ginugoogle namin kung ano ang gusto naming itanong.
Holy smokes.
Another
Let's have some
coins
stuff.
for me.
You know what? Wait.
Ang dami ko na naipong coins dito guys na nila, pera nila. Puno na yung coin purse. Yeah, ipunin natin to. Marami na to pag uwi ko doon sa Pinas. Okay, so
No? That's really cool. Come on. Jim,
okay.
Come on.
It's raining. Andito na kami sa Shibuya.
Wow, it's like, are you on your mark? Are you ready? Get set, go. See ya. Gene, come here.
Nandito kami sa Japanese restaurant and We're having a hard time how to order. Japanese yung nakasulat, hindi namin alam. Wala talaga kami alam.
I'm lost. Help! Where's the food? You should try. How do I do this? English? Oh, arigato, thank you. English.
Thank you. Ayan, buti na lang may tumulong sa akin.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sushi.
So, ganun lang siya. Pag umorder ka, ayan na, i-deliver lang sa'yo. Magkabilaan, meron dito sa amin, meron din sa kabila. Dito kami sa Shibuya Sky. So, meron silang locker para sa aming mga gamit.
Okay, put up next one.
Nailagay na namin yung aming gamit sa locker. Hindi siya nag-work kanina kasi kailangan pala siyang hulugan ng 100 yen. Okay. Kaya isang dito.
This is pretty cool. Hello, Jean. Wave. Where are you?
Oh my God!
Wow, this is a good one.
Tokyo, Japan!
Are you in Tokyo, Japan by any chance? This is awesome video. Look at this. I love it. You're gonna like it too. There's the crossing.
And also over here and there.
Yeah. This is Japan. Shibuya Central. That famous Shibuya crossing.
I've only run this a year and
Gene! craziest crossing you've ever seen. Come and witness it. Are you ready? Here it goes. This is Tokyo, Japan. Hello everybody, Gene and John. Yeah, we're just stopping off in front of our hotel for one last drink. Celebration. We had a good time. It was very good to us. We had 3 beautiful days, but the objective was achieved. Jean got a stamp in her passport. There you go. And she's funny. She got toys. She's got chocolate. She's got Kit Kat. She's got memories. Yeah, she's got Kit Kat and chocolate and all kinds of things. You want to say something in Tagalog to your viewers?
Sobra ako nag-enjoy. Napakaganda ng Japan. So interesting.
Okay, cheers.